Stop wasting money on products that only look like winners. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to use WinningHunter to uncover products with real demand, active ads, and strong growth signals, then analyze the competition and validate each idea before spending a single dollar on advertising. Once you sign in, this is the main WinningHunter dashboard. From here, you can research Facebook and TikTok ads, explore online stores, discover TikTok shop products, analyze trends, and monitor competing brands. Instead of jumping between several different tools, you can complete most of your product research from one dashboard. For a beginner, one of the easiest places to start is the TikTok Shop Explorer. You can review products from yesterday, the last 7 days, or the last 30 days. I normally begin with 30 days because it provides a wider and more reliable view of product performance. You can browse all products or narrow the results to best sellers, high-growth products, and new arrivals. Each listing includes useful signals such as the product price, customer rating, estimated revenue, revenue growth, and recent sales activity. Do not select a product simply because it has the highest revenue. Look for a combination of strong demand, positive growth, useful customer reviews, and a clear problem-solving benefit. I would also check whether the product can be demonstrated within the first few seconds of a video. Products with an obvious before and after result or a simple visual benefit are usually easier to advertise. Remember, these numbers are research signals, so they should guide your decision rather than guarantee a result. Next, use the Find Competitors option to see who else is selling the product. Competition is not always a bad sign. It can confirm that customers are already spending money in that market. The goal is to understand how crowded the market is, what prices competitors are using, and whether you can offer a better creative angle, bundle, or customer experience. The Explore Stores section adds another layer of validation. You can filter stores by niche, estimated monthly or annual revenue, product count, average product price, location, monthly visits, and traffic growth. Open stores related to your chosen niche and study their best-selling products, advertising activity, and recent growth. You are not here to copy another store. You are looking for patterns, such as common price points, product positioning, and the types of offers that appear to be working. Now move to the ad section to check whether advertisers are actively promoting similar products. WinningHunter provides filters for country, language, niche, ad impressions, ad rank, days running, media type, and video length. Start with your target market, such as the United States or the United Kingdom, and focus on active ads that have been running for a reasonable period. If an advertiser continues running or scaling an advert, that may be a positive signal, but you should still review the creative, offer, and landing page before making a decision. Magic AI makes this process faster. You can describe a product in plain English or upload an image, and the tool searches for similar ads and competitors. This is useful when a product has different names across different stores. Review how many similar adverts appear, where they are running, and whether the market looks healthy or heavily saturated. If the tool produces very few relevant results, the product may be early or there may simply be limited demand, so further research is still required. Before making your final choice, check the Trends section. This shows search interest and growth patterns for rapidly developing topics. A sudden spike may be seasonal or temporary, while steady growth can indicate longer-term demand. Look at the graph, monthly search volume, and growth direction together. Never rely on one percentage without considering the wider trend. You can also use Brand Tracker to monitor competitors over time. It shows active adverts, the mix of videos and images, newly launched creatives, and changes in advertising activity. This can help you understand which creative formats established brands continue to test and scale. WinningHunter offers flexible plans for every level of product research, from exploring ads and stores to tracking trends and discovering TikTok shop opportunities. You can start with a free trial, test the platform yourself, and choose a plan only when you're confident it fits your business. I've placed my affiliate link in the description, so use that link to explore WinningHunter and view the latest available offer at no extra cost to you. I may earn a small commission, which supports this channel. Remember, don't guess. Discover the product, check its growth, study the competition, validate the demand, and then make your decision. If this tutorial helped, like the video, subscribe, and tell me in the comments which WinningHunter feature you found most useful.